Hello children, you all are welcome to the virtual class 1. Subject Science. Topic Lesson number 8, Keeping Healthy and Clean. Subtopic Food. So children, as you can see, today we are going to start our new lesson of science, that is lesson number 8, Keeping Healthy and Clean. So children, what is the name of lesson number 8? Yes, keeping healthy and clean. In today's video, we are going to study about food. So children, what is our subtopic? Yes, food. So children, are you ready to study about this interesting lesson? Yes. Before start our portion, let's have a look learning checklist. Here we can understand what we are going to study in our lesson number 8. So children, first of all, we will study about food and its sources. Yes, first of all, we will study about food. Then we will study about from where we get this food. Second, eating healthy food. Children, we will learn about which type of food we should eat. So we will study about eating healthy food. Number 3, we will study about good habits and keeping clean. Children, we are going to learn about habits, good habits, and also about cleanliness. So children, shall we start? Okay. Hope you have opened page number 65, children. Let's get started. Look at the picture of the fruits and vegetables. Children, on page number 65, as you can see, there are pictures of fruits and vegetables. Yes? Look at these pictures. These are the pictures of fruits and vegetables. Now, with the help of that fruits and vegetables, what you have to do? So children, see, fill in the missing letters to form names of these. So children, you have to fill the missing letters to form names of the particular fruits or vegetables. Yes. So children, shall we start? Okay. See this picture. First of all, identify this. Is this vegetable or fruit? So this is a fruit. This is a fruit. What is the name of this? It is a guava. It is a guava. Now children, fill the missing letter and form its complete name. Yes. Spelling is that Guava. So children, you have to write it. Write it properly, children. Okay. Now move to next. Next one. Yes. Is this fruit or vegetable? So this is a fruit. And name of that fruit is grapes. As we can identify it very well. So this is a grapes. What is the spelling of grapes? Grapes. Yes, children, you have to write it properly. Now move to next. Can you identify this? Is this fruit or vegetable? This is our favorite, no? Yes, this is a vegetable. And name of that vegetable is potato. What is the spelling of potato? Potato. Yes, children, you have to write it properly. Next, see this? Is this vegetable or fruit? So children, this is a vegetable and its name is cabbage. Children, Cabbage. Cabbage. Yes? Next one. Identify this. This is the picture of fruit. Yes? What is the name of that fruit? Pineapple. This is a pineapple. Children, what is the spelling of pineapple? Pineapple. Got it? Hope you are getting very well, children. Okay, so you have to write it properly. Got it, children? Now, first of all, read this. Keep your finger on the first line and try to read with me. We should eat healthy food and keep ourselves clean. As the name of our lesson is keeping healthy and clean. So we should eat food. But which type of food we should eat? Healthy food. Why we should eat healthy food, children? Because healthy food helps us to grow. It makes us strong. That's why we should eat healthy food. And keep ourselves clean. Children, in our life, cleanliness is very important. So, we should keep ourselves clean also. Yes. Let us learn about healthy food and some good habits that we should follow. So children, in our lesson number 8, we are going to learn about healthy food and some good habits that we should follow. Yes. So children, is it interesting? No? Our lesson is very interesting and very useful also. Yes. So we are going to learn about healthy food and good habits. And we should follow the good habits also. Yes, children. Before start our portion, children, I would like to ask you a question. How does your face look when you feel hungry? Children, I will repeat my question. How does your face look when you feel hungry? See this picture? Your face look like this. This is the face of scowling boy. Yes? His face, the expression of his face show that this boy is hungry. When we get hungry, no, at that time our face show. Yes, our face express that we feel hungry. Yes. Getting children? So answer is that we feel tired, find it difficult to work, play and concentrate. So when we feel hungry, no, at that time what happened? We feel tired. It means we don't want to do anything. Yes, we find it difficult to work. If we are doing any work, suppose if we are doing easy work also, so it find it difficult. Yes, because we are hungry. Then we also find it difficult to play, and then we can't concentrate to our work, we can't concentrate to our study. Yes children, so for that what we need? We need food. We need food. Yes children, and after eating food we get energy. We get energy to play, to work and to concentrate our work and study also. Getting children? So as today's our subtopic is food, we need food to live, grow and work. It keeps us healthy and makes us strong. As we have seen the scowling picture of the boy, yes, we need food. For what reason? To live, to grow and work. It keeps us healthy and makes us strong. Food makes us strong. It gives us energy to work and it also keeps us healthy. Yes. Getting children? See this picture? This is the picture of a girl. What she is doing here? I need food to do my work. Children, if you want to do your work, so what you need? You need food. You need food. If you will get a food, then you will work properly. Yes, you will work properly. Now, this picture shows us we need food to do our work. Like that girl, like this girl, she is doing her work. Next picture, see this picture? This is the picture of a boy. I need food to grow. Children, why we need food? We need food to grow also. We need food to grow also. As we learned in our previous lesson, in lesson number 7, our body, we need food to grow up. Yes? So children, food is very important. Food is very important. Next one, this is the picture of a girl. This is the picture of a girl. What she is doing here? I need food to stay healthy. To stay healthy, to live healthy life, what we need? We need food. We need food. Yes, children. So, food is very important in our life to stay healthy, to work properly, to grow up. Yes. So, children, food is a very important. So, in today's video, we learnt about food. What is the importance of food? Yes, children. Hope you got that very well. Okay. So, children, what you have to do now? You have to read this properly. Whatever the portion we have study in today's video, you have to read it properly. Okay, children? So, in the next video, we will see the next portion. So, till then, children, thank you and take care.